Power tools use many ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now I'll remove the shoe. Now I'll remove the rubber boot. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. With the screws removed, I can separate the gearbox and armature from the motor housing. Now I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. It's secured with a plate and 2 screws. Now I'll remove the fan side bearing. To install the bearing, I'll place it over the gear and use a socket to tap it into place. Now I can reinstall the armature to the gearbox. Now I can slide the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. I'll need to separate the brushes as I do this. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to spread them open. Once it's in place, I'll secure it with the screws. I'll reinstall the boot and the shoe. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.